Right, morning folks, we're in the wee workshop. Yes, the wee workshop this morning. And what we're doing is, we're sorting this gate for Mr. Horatio, and I can save this gate for him. We're going to take this off and reclad it, but if you look at the back of it, you'll see that there, and I reckon that's still good in good condition, and I'll refurbish that and rehinge it, do everything with it, and I'll let you see this afternoon the finished product on the job once we get it back up in the job with the completed faith for Mr. Colhoun there. Look at that. And what we'll do is, knock knock, Willie's keen to sort your gate at WSH Fencing. Knock knock, Julio and Horatio's playing the part well there, isn't he? Well done, Horatio. Do it again, Horatio, for me, please. He'll no do it, will he? No, he'll no do it when he's no meant to, he'll do it when he isn't meant to, if you know what I mean. See you all later, folks.